fix USB mouse not working in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. First, general checks to make. Note that many of the fixes are much easier to perform when you do have a working mouse. So if you have a backup mouse, use it for the troubleshooting steps below. General bugs and temporary issues could cause the USB mouse to stop working on Windows. Thus, below we provide general fixes that you may or may not have tried yet. Fix 1. Run Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Fix 3. Uninstall the recent Windows update. If problems started after installing the Windows update, you could try uninstalling it as follows.